Our walk begins at the Baguio City Market, one of the busiest and most important trading areas in the city. For locals, this is a daily shopping destination. For visitors, it's one of the best places to understand what Baguio and the surrounding Cordillera regions are known for. One of the first things that stands out is the strawberries. Vendors arrange them in large red mounds, and here they are usually sold by weight. Although many people associate strawberries with Baguio, many of the supply comes from nearby La Trinidad, known as the strawberry capital of the Philippines. Right beside the fresh fruit are shelves filled with local Pasalubong, strawberry jams, ube jams, peanut butter, preserves, vinegar, and snacks are stacked from floor to ceiling. This is the kind of place where people buy gifts to bring home after visiting Baguio. Around the corner, the scene shifts from tourist goods to daily market work. Vendors inspect and sort green beans by hand, checking the quality before selling or packing them for customers. Nearby, baskets of dried fish and squid fill another section of the market. Each type has its own price, usually sold by weight. Then I reach the coffee section. Beans from Sagada, Benguet, Arabica, and Barako are displayed in large containers, each with its own flavor and origin. Coffee is a major part of the mountain region, and this market gives you a direct look at what local buyers are choosing. A little further along, I pass a fresh roast coffee shop where customers can buy beans prepared on site. It is another reminder that Baguio is not only a place for cool weather and mountain views, but also for local food culture. In another section, the focus shifts to vegetables. Carrots, cucumber, broccoli, lettuce, celery, and green beans fill the stalls. These are famous Highland vegetables grown in the cooler climate of Benguet and sold throughout the Philippines. Stepping outside again, the market changes completely. Now the stalls are filled with garments, scarves, keychain and accessories, and cold weather items. In a mountain city like Baguio, even the souvenirs reflect the cooler climate. From above, the market spreads out into rows of tents, showing just how large this shopping area really is. Back at street level, I walk through rows of clothing, stuffed animals, jewelry, shorts, snacks, and small shops. It's crowded, colorful, and consistently changing from one stall to the next. Eventually, I reach a small public area known as Umali, Kayo. People sit, snack, talk, and take a break from the crowded markets around them. At the center, a bronze statue group shows several figures holding tools and weapons, showing the labor, strength, and mountain identity surrounding Baguio. As night falls, the market becomes even busier. Under the bridge, the tents light up and vendors continue selling pants, jackets, and other goods to crowds moving through the evening market. From the crowded morning aisles to the night markets under the lights, this is one of the best places to feel the real rhythm of the city. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Until next time, this is Entropic Travel. See you soon.